Right now, as you watch this video, your body is preparing for the most important night shift of its life. While you sleep, billions of cells repair tissues, your brain clears metabolic waste through its natural cleaning systems, and your body carries out many of its most important hormonal and recovery processes. But for millions of people, this overnight recovery system becomes far less efficient. Not because of genetics, not because you aren't working out hard enough, but because of one single healthy decision you made at 9 p.m. Today, we are uncovering the 6 hidden triggers that either signal your body to enter a deep, overnight fat-burning state, or quietly lock your metabolism for the next 8 hours. More importantly, we aren't just looking at the problems. We are breaking down the exact actionable solution for every single one of them, so you can optimize your system tonight. And the first trigger is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, because you think it's the perfect healthy snack.
Wait, seriously? Now you're telling me my healthy bedtime routine is actually breaking my metabolism. Come on, at least let me have my snack.
It's 9 p.m. You're feeling a little hungry. So you bypass the chips and reach for an apple, a banana, or a bowl of fresh berries. After all, it's full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. But this is trigger 1. This is where many people accidentally reduce their body's ability to switch efficiently into overnight fat metabolism. Think of your body as a busy railway station. During the day, trains of nutrients constantly arrive. Your station manager, a hormone called insulin, easily directs this traffic into your muscles, liver, and other tissues so the energy can be stored or used. But as the sun goes down, the railway station prepares to close. The daytime staff goes home. Your body wants to shift from processing fuel to repairing the tracks. When you eat fruit late at night, you dump a sudden load of rapidly digested carbohydrates directly onto the tracks. Your body has to release insulin to clear the line. And here's an important biochemical principle. While insulin remains elevated, your body's ability to release and burn stored fat is temporarily reduced. Trying to clean your body while you're still eating is like asking a janitor to mop a busy train station during rush hour. The work gets done eventually, but never as efficiently as when the crowds have gone home. Your body temporarily prioritizes digestion before shifting its full attention toward overnight repair and maintenance. Which leads us to trigger 2. How long does your body actually need to clean the station before you close your eyes? For many people, allowing roughly 2 to 3 hours between the last meal and bedtime gives digestion enough time to settle before sleep. But don't make the classic mistake that dooms most diets. Many people misunderstand this advice and end up skipping dinner altogether, believing that eating less at night is always better. They eat a tiny salad or a handful of crackers, only to find themselves staring into the fridge an hour later, completely defeated. Your goal isn't to go to sleep starving. Your goal is a quiet digestive system. To achieve that quiet digestive state, we must look at trigger 3. Your evening meal needs to stand on 3 distinct pillars. First, clean protein to provide the amino acids your body needs for overnight muscle and tissue repair. Second, fiber to slow down digestion and prevent sudden insulin spikes. And third, healthy fats to trigger satiety so your brain doesn't wake you up searching the kitchen before bed. Once your digestion settles down, your brain can finally turn on your body's built-in, highly efficient fat-burning furnace. But trigger 4 is something most people accidentally suffocate night after night. We've all been conditioned to believe that the perfect bedroom must be a warm, cozy cocoon, thick blankets, soft pajamas, and the heater turned up. But biologically, you are suffocating your metabolism. Deep inside your neck, around your shoulders, and along your upper back lies a very special tissue, brown fat. Unlike normal white fat, which simply stores excess energy, brown fat has a completely different job. It burns energy to produce heat. It is your body's built-in heating system. When your bedroom is cool, ideally around 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit, your body has to work to keep your core temperature stable. Your brown fat becomes more active, modestly increasing energy expenditure as your body works to maintain its core temperature throughout the night. If your bedroom is too warm, this natural heat-producing system becomes far less active. Temperature is critical, but trigger 5 focuses on your movement. If your mind is racing, your body chemistry will literally veto any weight loss progress. We are told that to burn fat, we have to push ourselves to our absolute limits: sweat, heavy breathing, maximum intensity. During the day, intense exercise is fantastic for your health. But do this too close to bedtime, and you are throwing a chemical grenade into your sleep cycle. A hard workout naturally raises your heart rate, increases body temperature, and floods your system with cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol tells your liver to release emergency glucose into your blood.
So, wait. If I try to burn hundreds of calories with a brutal workout right before bed, I'm actually stopping my body from burning fat naturally all night? That's incredibly frustrating.
Exactly. You may be trading a better night's recovery for a temporary stress response that can make falling asleep more difficult and reduce the quality of your overnight recovery. Instead of fighting your biology, you need a routine that signals your nervous system: the workday is officially over. This is not a workout. It's a 6-minute neurological shutdown sequence designed to drop your cortisol levels and prime your body for recovery. Begin with alternating heel drops. Lie on your back with your knees lifted above your hips. Lower one foot until your heel lightly touches the floor. Then return to the starting position before repeating the movement with the opposite leg. Breathe out as your heel lowers. This gently activates the deep muscles that stabilize your core without raising your heart rate. Next, make your way to slow-motion reverse crunches. Bring both knees toward your chest in a slow reverse crunch before lowering them again with complete control. Imagine moving through thick honey. No momentum, just slow, deep abdominal engagement. Transition into donkey kicks to release tension in your back. Turn onto your hands and knees. Slowly lift one leg behind you, squeeze your glute at the top, and lower it just as slowly before changing sides. Strong glutes support your posture and balance throughout the day. Finish the routine with a gentle, static toe touch stretch. Reach your fingertips toward your toes, breathing out slowly. Breathe deeply into your belly, telling your vagus nerve that you are completely safe and ready to rest. You shouldn't feel sweaty or exhausted after this. You should feel heavy, loose, and calm. And now we reach trigger 6, an incredibly satisfying 2-minute habit that physically drains the day's stress straight out of your face. Have you ever woken up with a puffy, bloated face feeling like you've aged 5 years overnight? It's usually not fat. It's trapped fluid. Your lymphatic system is your body's cellular waste disposal unit, but unlike your bloodstream, it doesn't have a pump like the heart. It relies entirely on breathing, movement, and gentle muscle contractions. Before bed, try this simple sequence. Place 2 fingers lightly under your chin, gently glide them outward along your jawline toward your ears, then sweep down the sides of your neck to your collarbones. Repeat this movement a few times using only light pressure. Gentle massage may encourage lymphatic fluid movement and help reduce temporary facial puffiness for some people by supporting normal fluid drainage. Finish by applying your favorite nighttime moisturizer to support your skin barrier's recovery. In the end, there is no magic pill, no single superfood, and no secret bedtime routine that will instantly melt away body fat. But there are triggers. Every single night, your body is listening to the choices you make in the final hours of your day. When you eat, how you move, the temperature of your bedroom, and the state of your mind. Maybe the real secret isn't forcing your body to burn more fat. Maybe it's simply learning how to stop getting in its way. Your body is ready to do the work. Your only job is to give it the perfect conditions to succeed,